Okay, this is the figure that differentiate between the monocots and eudicots for phylum Anthophyta. So remember, phylum Anthophyta, the kingdom is Plantae, domain is Eukarya, and the dominant generations for phylum Anthophyta is sporophyte generation or diploid generations. Okay, and then take a look at the differences between the monocots and eudicots. First, we look at the embryos. Embryos for the eudicot. Okay, example for eudicots, we have the California poppy here. This California poppy. For monocots, orchid kat sini. Okay, we look at the characteristics of the eudicots and monocots. Untuk embryos for eudicot, okay, eudicots, the characteristic, it has two cotyledons. Dalamnya ada dua cotyledons that produces leaves. And then when we look at the leaf, these are leaves. The leaf venation, the veins usually net-like structure. Net-like structure. This for eudicot. But for the monocots, the veins usually parallel. Okay, so monocot with one, the embryo with one cotyledon, and veins usually parallel. Okay, and then kita tengok stem dia. Okay, stems, the cross section of the stems. For the stems, we look at the vascular tissue, which consists of the phloem and the xylem. How this vascular tissue is arranged. Like for eudicots, the vascular tissue they arranged in a ring macam ni. Okay, arranged in a ring. Normally kat luar tu is the phloem and dalam tu xylem, the vascular tissue, because it consists of the phloem and xylem. So it is arranged in a ring. But for monocot, if you look at the vascular tissue here, it's not arranged in a ring, but it's scattered. Berterabur kat sini. So it's scattered, yeah. So this is a cross section of stems of monocots and eudicots. Okay, these are some of the differences between monocots and eudicots.